have you been doing, Albert? Fucking looks like it, doesn't it?
I'm in another cave. Wow. Hey, come on, baby. Let's have a little look inside of this. Don't do that. You're trying to hurt me. You're trying to hurt me. What the? I wish you'd tried to hurt me. Doesn't make no sense, that. Makes no sense. What's in here? What's down the bottom of here?
Hey, be careful though, it looks like this is getting full of rock falling.
Yeah, it's probably,
You've got very loose boulders up the fucking hanging above you.
yeah. Fairly recent fall, isn't it?
Fucking looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oi!
Ooh, that's cool, it's got that. But
So if you go round that corner there, Tony, you can see.
Oh yeah, there's two little caves as well.
Yeah. So we can get down and have a little look at that.
Yeah.
Be careful on this bit. It's quite slippery.
do you think this is a big mound?
Someone's done something with it, haven't they?
Well, that keeps going down.
See, it don't look natural, does it?
Yeah, I think it
Kinda.
might be mine, because we saw them the bit of a railway, bit of a rail cart, didn't we? Like some rails. If that's linked,
Fucking hell.
someone should have linked it here.
Oh, we can see a light up there. There's light at the end of the tunnel. Yay!
Hey, this one meets up here, this would be mine, this. 3 feet out. This one meets here, you know.
Ah. Oh.
Yeah, but you can get down, it's like you're going to have a struggle getting back up. I don't think I'm prepared to go down there.
No.
I think I will. Yeah.
Tony's going to have a
Do
go.
it.
Yeah.
Where to go?
Yeah, be careful, mate,
Shoelace
because I can see you slipping on your ass.
first. Oh yeah.
Give him plenty, he's got plenty of light.
It's coming.
Careful,
No, it's
mate.
quite stable. Pretty stable.
Yeah, careful, mate.
Yeah.
Does it look alright?
Yeah. It's fine.
Yeah.
Where does that go to then? Does that still go around that corner?
A little bit, yeah.
But not much of one, but there is one.
And then down there as well.
Not much really.
Look at that, shimmering. Throw something in and it'll shimmer even more.
Throw a rock in it.
Okay, I will do.
Put light on it and then throw a rock on it.
I will do.
So we're just gonna fucking.
Put light on it though first.
Yeah. Ready?
Wait, it'll splash. Wait. Go right over there.
That was a bit rubbish. It was heavy.
Tony disappeared into that cave behind me about 10 minutes ago. Don't know where he is. Hello?
What have you been doing, Albert? What have you been doing, Albert? Hey?
What's he said? I don't know.
I can't hear you. Hey? I can hear you now.
Who is that?
Oh.
Who are you talking to and where are they?
Hello? Yeah. Me? I don't know.
Is it Tony?
I don't know who it is. I run that down. It's fucking. If it's not Tony. I bet that was the surface. That. You reckon?
Probably.
It's not Tony. It's some fucking weird stuff you come. Can you hear me? Did you record that?
Yeah.